Brothers Cooking Channel. Today Chef Dom and I are going to show you how to make this focaccia bread. It's beautiful. Look at this. Nice, airy, air pockets. Very, very nice. Alright, let's get cooking. Alright, we got a cup of lukewarm water here. We're going to go ahead and add about 1/4 ounce of dry yeast. And then we're going to go ahead and let this rest here for about 5 minutes. Let it dissolve. All right, our yeast is dissolved. I'm going to go ahead and stir that up. If I didn't mention it earlier, you want to use lukewarm water. You don't want it cold or hot. Now we're going to go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of sugar. That'll help activate the yeast. Get that all dissolved. I'm going to go ahead and salt, 2 teaspoons of salt. And get that all dissolved in that water. There we go. Perfect. All right, now we're going to go add it to our mixing bowl here. All right, now I'm going to add another cup of lukewarm water. I got 1 sprig of fresh rosemary here. We're gonna blend that into the dough. It's gonna be awesome. And then I got 2 tablespoons of olive oil. All right, let that mix up. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and add the flour. I love to use King Arthur all-purpose flour. It's really good flour for bread.
Yeah, it is.
I got 5½ cups of flour here. All right, we're going to let this mix up on low. And let that mix for about 10 minutes.
Okay.
Now it's been mixing for about 10 minutes. It's all ready.
Looks good.
Nice consistency.
Beautiful dough.
Turn that off. Let's go ahead and peel that dough off the hook there. I went ahead and put some olive oil. That's about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a bowl. I'm going to go ahead and get this out.
That's going to be a lot of bread. That's a nice.
Roll it up a little bit.
Nothing like fresh bread.
Like that.
Very beautiful.
All right, let's dip it on one side and roll it over.
Oh, man.
All good. I'm going to wrap that up and pop that in the refrigerator overnight, and then it'll be ready to go tomorrow.
Yum, yum.
All right, we're going to pop this in the refrigerator, let it rise overnight. We made one yesterday, and look how it's doubled in size.
Wow.
Look at that.
Wow.
Oh, tripled. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and start making the focaccia.
Good. Beautiful.
All right. First thing we're going to do, we're going to oil this pan here.
Did you want to turn your oven off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oil that pan there. About 1/4 cup of olive oil.
That's our Sicilian pan pizza right there. Sicilian pizza pan right there.
Yeah.
You can tell we've had a lot of use out of it.
Yeah. All right, let's get this dough out of here. Spread it up.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and cover it with some plastic wrap. And then I'm going to pop this in the oven. I went ahead and preheated the oven just to about 100, maybe 100 degrees, and I turned it off. So this way we could speed up the proofing process. All right, we'll be back. We're going to check this out in about 30 minutes. All right, let's check out this dough here. Oh man, look at that. The dough is really nice.
That was nice.
Close that up. Remove the plastic. You're gonna have to go ahead and spread this out nice and gently. you don't have to go to every corner of the bread. Now you want to go ahead and be sure that you put some dimples in it. Don't be afraid to press that dough with your fingers all the way down. All right.
You garlic it right there.
Yeah, all right. I'm going to put some fresh garlic on top. Spread it out evenly.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be good.
Oh yeah. All right, now we're gonna add some olive oil. Drizzle the olive oil all over the top. Get some oil inside those pockets there. Nice. Now we're gonna use some salt. I like to use sea salt. All right. Now we're gonna go ahead and preheat the oven to 400 degrees, and then we'll go ahead and bake this for about 20 minutes. Okay.
Looks good.
All right. Oven set to 400. We're gonna pop this in the middle rack for about 20 minutes. Check it out.
That's gonna be good.
Yeah. All right, let's check out this focaccia. Oh, very nice. Oh, look at that focaccia bread. Check out the bottom. Nice golden brown. Oh, yeah. I'll go ahead and cut this baby up. Look at that bread right there. Nice and airy. Smells wonderful. Crunchy on the outside, very soft and light on the inside. Thanks for watching, folks. We'll see you next time.